In this video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial showing you how to use this really cool AI tool called Heygen. Heygen can take still images and turn them into talking avatars. And you can also create long-form video content with an AI avatar as a presenter for you. So you can make YouTube videos or explainer videos for your website, and you never have to appear in front of a camera. They have a bunch of templates you can choose from, and an AI presenter will talk on your behalf with really high quality text to speech, as well as animated video. I've got a paid subscription so I can show you all the pro features, and I'm also going to show you how to use it. So first of all, if you want a free trial of Heygen, I'll leave a link in the description and the pinned comment. If you want to use those links, it really helps the channel out. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button because less than 1% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So this is what it looks like when you jump into the Heygen studio once you've signed up for an account. With a free account, you get 4 credits that you can use. That's 4 videos that you can make, so you can test out all the features. It's got all the basic avatars and all the basic features. If you want to unlock all the bells and whistles, you'll need a paid plan, but you can try most of the things out for free. So there are 2 main uses for Heygen. The first one is to animate a still image and bring it to life and get it to talk. And the second is to use their templates with their own avatars that they have, so you can create explainer videos and content without ever having to appear in front of a camera yourself. I'm going to look at the talking photo feature first, and then I'm going to show you how to use their avatars second. So first of all, I'm just going to find a photo that I can animate. I've just typed in AI warrior. It usually helps if the face isn't too far away, if it's a bit closer to the camera. I'm going to save that one and import that into Heygen. So to make your first talking photo with a customized photo, so it can be a photo of you, a photo of one of your friends, or a photo you've downloaded off the internet, or even a digital image, just click here, upload talking photo, and select the image you want. I'm going to select that one. When it's done, it should pop up on the top left-hand corner right here as a new image. That was something that confused me at first. I kept hitting it multiple times, not realizing it was just loading up down here. Now, by default, it puts the head in a circle, which I don't like. I want to use the whole picture. So what you do is hover over that and select the little 3 dots here and go Edit Avatar. Now I want to go over to the right, and instead of circle or square, I just want the original image. So I'm going to go Save as New, and that's going to create a new avatar with the full-sized image. Let's go back home, and there it is right there. From here, we can create a landscape or portrait. So a portrait is like a phone, a vertical phone video. Landscape would be like a YouTube video. Let's go for portrait. Now we need to give this image something to say. I've just written, I am a mean, scary warrior, and you should fear me. Now we choose the voice. So let's go over here, and this is where we choose the voices. Anything with a diamond next to it is for a paid plan only, and anything without a diamond you can use on the free plan. One thing that is super cool is with the paid version, you can create a clone of your own voice. So let's just select here from the male and female and select a male voice. And let's listen to a couple of these premium voices.
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you.
Hello, this is how I.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Jackson there sounds like a big scary warrior. Let's select that one. So now we can hear, we can just do a quick, if we hit that play button, it will give us a quick preview of the audio, but it won't show us the video yet.
I am a mean, scary warrior, and you should fear me.
One other thing that you should note is you can change the speed of the narration. You can drag this to make it slower to the left or faster to the right. I'm going to leave that on normal, and I'm going to hit submit to generate this video. When I hit submit, it is going to use up half a credit. So you want to make sure that you've got everything written down there correctly and your image is looking good before you hit submit. So for each credit, you get 2 videos. You can see now it's rendering on the left-hand side. The longer the video, obviously, the longer it will take to render. I've just made this video really short so it will render quite quickly for the purposes of this video. And when it's ready, it will tell you the length of the video there. You can either download that video straight from there, or you can click on the video and it will take you to this screen where you can select whether it has captions down the bottom or not. So I'm going to turn the captions off and let's have a look at the result.
I am a mean, scary warrior, and you should fear me.
So you can see that it's quite cool because it even adds like blinking in the eyes.
I am a mean, scary warrior, and you should fear me.
So that's basically it when you can download that as a 720p or a 1080p. And when you're ready to download that video, just hit download original video right here. Now let's look at the other function when we go to template here. And they have a bunch of templates where you can make explainer videos for like YouTube channels or your website. You could even make a video ad and run this on YouTube, which is really cool. I'm going to make a short introduction to my YouTube videos. I'm going to click on this one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
So I'm going to hit use this template. I'm going to write something here. So I've written here, welcome to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. We provide weekly content on tech trends, affiliate marketing, and social media. So now I'm going to pick a voice and I'm going to choose a female voice from the professional.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Well, I'm Australian, so let me see if they've got a good Australian one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
That is terrible.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's go with Scarlett. When I'm ready, I'll submit that and it will use up half a credit. I'll join back with you when that's rendered and I'll show you the results. So that one's ready there. Let's see how this turned out.
Welcome to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. We provide weekly content on tech trends, affiliate marketing, and social media.
So that is quite lifelike, the avatars that they put in there. Now, obviously a lot of people are going to tell that that is an AI avatar, but there are lots and lots of people, surprisingly, that think that that's actually a real actor that's been paid to say that for you. So you can see how you can really easily create content for your YouTube channel or your blog or any other social media with just a script. You can even use ChatGPT to write your script for a video and just plug it in there, and you've got a video in 10 minutes rather than spending 3 or 4 hours creating a traditional video. So that's how you use the talking photo tool in Heygen, and also how you use their in-house avatars and video templates. I did have a quick look at cloning my own voice. I got a fair way through the process, and then they wanted me to pay $99 to create a voice clone, and they wanted that to recur annually. So I think I'll give that feature a miss for the moment, and I think I might test out some of the other dedicated voice cloning AI tools online and show you the results there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.